Hey, Logan. How are you? Is that your laugh? Say, yeah, that's how I laugh. I'm a silly girl. Can I get a grin? Can you smile? Can you smile at Mommy? Really? You don't say. You're trying to figure out how to roll over. I think it's going to be kind of hard to roll over while you're in the swing now.
Swing or roll over.
Okay, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.